Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In the previous video, we've learned how to generate a visual sitemap with wireframes. In today's video, we'll learn how to edit it, specifically how to add a new page or a section. Let's do it. Go to the Visual Sitemap button on the left. By the way, you can either maximize or minimize this panel by clicking this expand or minimize button. To add a page, click on the Add New Page button here. You can select a dynamic page or a blank page. It's up to you. Once a new page has been added, it'll be added to your sitemaps, and you'll then have the option to rename it so that you can easily identify your pages here on the sitemap panel. To add a new section, simply go to the page where you want to add a section, hover over a section, and click the plus button or the Add Section button. You can select what type of section you want to add over here. Once you do that, it'll be added to your sitemap over here, and you'll also automatically be taken to that page within the editor canvas. If you want to rearrange the order of your sections, you can simply drag and drop your sections like that, and it'll automatically reflect here on the canvas as well. That's also the same for the pages on your sitemap. So by dragging and dropping your pages, you're also rearranging their order on the site menu. And to keep your flow going, you can set a status for each page. Click on Set Status, and you can select a status that reflects your current progress on the selected page. Adding a status helps you identify which pages you've finished working on and which ones need your attention the most. And if you ever want to export your visual sitemap, maximize this panel first. Click on the three-dot button here and select Export Sitemap. Your sitemap will then be downloaded as a JPEG file. And that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.